morning, everybody. Pancakes and sausage links is what's for breakfast. Jonah's in here helping me this morning. He's up early because he's going with Titus today. He has to go to a farm to help them tag their cattle and different stuff like that.
We ain't got but one shot here. If she'll go in there, we need to close her up. Okay, go ahead and close your gate. All right. Yes, yes. Alright, so we're just going to take these little donkeys here and tie some tags on their halter to keep the flies off of them. I'm actually doing this farm for a vet. He broke his thumb and he asked me if I wanted to come down here and do these for him. So that's what he asked me to do, and that's what we're going to do. All right, there you go, buddy. We got them, Dennis. Till next time. Bring the cowboys down here to the city today, wasn't it, Butter Road? All right, me and Jonah's gonna stop and get us a little lunch here at the barbecue place.
I just got finished gathering the green beans. Harvest.
You did a harvest?
Yeah, I got some more green beans and 2 peppers. He's always, the pumpkin is his baby of the garden, y'all.
Yeah, I'm always looking for this pumpkin. This one right here is probably going to take off down through there. I redirected his path. He was trying to get off the straight and narrow, and I said, I'm sorry, little old son, you got to go that way.
Y'all, my prize tomatoes that I was waiting on, he picked them last night for fried green tomatoes. We have to have garden discussions. Okay, y'all, it's a little while later now. I just got the pizza ordered for Friday night. We're going with Papa John's. We were trying to order from Papa's Pizza to Go, but they don't even open until 5 o'clock. Titus just left to go to the store for me real quick because I'm gonna make some Luscious Lime Angel Squares. Luscious Lime Angel Squares. Yeah, it's a long name, but that's what they're called. And Sissy is over here making a chocolate cake because Titus really wants a chocolate cake. I don't love chocolate cake, and I've been wanting to try these Luscious Lime Angel Squares, so 2 Friday night desserts tonight. Chocolate for the chocolate lovers, lime for the lime lovers. I have cooking spray on my list for Titus to get, but we don't have any until he gets back, Sissy, so I'll butter this for you and put flour in it. That way you don't have to worry about doing that. Sure. Manly's providing the music in the background. That's good. That is good.
You did a good job, baby.
Woo! I kept trying to decide this afternoon if I wanted to cook something or if we just wanted to get pizza. The night we made the pulled pork sandwiches, we had a lot of pulled pork left over, so then I just made beans and mashed potatoes to go with that. And then the next night we had lots of beans, and with the mashed potatoes we had left over, I made potato cakes and we made the fried catfish and all. But I was fresh out of leftovers for tonight. We cleared that out yesterday. Except for rolls. We did have some rolls left over. I don't think I want to need any flour for this Luscious Lime thing. No, I don't. Okay, y'all, Sissy finished the chocolate cake. Now I'm gonna make the Luscious Lime, whatever those things are called. Luscious Lime Angel Squares. We have a pack of lime jello.
Tell them Sissy did a fantastic job.
She did a great job on that cake. I put in 1 cup of water, and we're just gonna whisk this until everything is dissolved. And then this is gonna go in the refrigerator. We're gonna take this angel food cake, break it up into little pieces, and put it in a greased 9x13 casserole dish. I have this 8-ounce block of cream cheese and an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip that have been sitting out. So once we get the cake and everything in the casserole dish, then we're gonna mix this with a little bit of sugar, and then we'll add this to it. Alright, y'all, we've got the cream cheese in there, 1/2 cup of sugar. We're putting 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and we're gonna put a little lemon zest in here. I'm just gonna zest it right in. Now we put in the whole container of thawed whipped topping. Okay, so now we just pour the lime mixture over the cake, and then this is going in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. The Luscious Lime Angel Squares are done. Doesn't it look luscious? It looks luscious. I tried to curl the lime up, but it didn't want to curl, so I can already tell that the lime part, it does, gel up a little bit. It's kind of, jiggly like Jello. Y'all remember those jiggly Jello commercials?
I tell y'all what, a cherry 7-Up.
We need a cherry to put on top of the Luscious lime since we have cherry
Well, here, I'll do it.
lemon lime. So do we have a cherry?
Yeah, we got a cherry.
Oh, with the stem too?
With the stem, buddy.
What we've been hiding in there. Boom.
Now what?
That
There's
took that
live
over the
action
top.
right there now.
Mm-hmm. That
Notice
took
how
that
it just fell
over
right
the
over.
top.
Now I'll just snatch it right back and do what we all enjoy doing. What's this called?
Luscious lime angel squares.
Luscious lime.
Angel squares.
It's kind of light.
Yeah,
fluffy.
that's what all the reviews said, that it was a really light, good
It's a light,
summery dessert.
fluffy kind of thing. It don't make you feel
Heavy.
heavy. Mm-hmm. Like them 2 pieces of pizza I'm fixing to eat are. Them things ain't gonna be like, but I don't care. I'm gonna eat this right here after I get done with my pizza. Buddy, right here's something that'll make you feel like it'll hold you down to the earth. Right here, everyone.
don't
This
know why
will
nobody
hold you
wanted to
down.
see.
Gravity will work with you if you get a hold of this.
Y'all, this is really good, this lime thing.
That other, you get to feeling like you're floating. Grab a hold of something that'll keep you grounded. I didn't know we had these breadsticks earlier.
You didn't? Bless your
Y'all
heart.
hid these jokers from me.
I don't know if the boys knew we had them or not either, because nobody ate any of them.